Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. This video is a very special video because in this video I'm going to discuss what do you do when you lose everything in trading. Yeah. How do you rebound from such a situation when you have lost a lot in trading? As we all know, that in trading 97% of people lose. So this video is for that 97% people. It's not for winners, but it's for losers. Even with experience, they find it difficult to bounce back, especially traders who have blown up their account or taken a huge loss. Let us look at all these points one by one. Actually, I still remember the day very clearly. The day I took a very big loss. In fact, I actually blew out my account. The screen was red and there was no margin left for a next trade. My confidence was shattered and I didn't want to talk to anybody. I actually went into a shell, switched off my mobile phone, came back home, went to my bedroom, switched off all the lights, and I just didn't want to talk to anybody. I just wanted to sit in the darkness. My hands were shivering and shaking. My eyes were full of shame. I was feeling as if I've become a useless person, good for nothing. And I started feeling that everybody around me is better. Why did I take up this profession? Why did I even try trading? And believe me, if you have taken a big loss or blown out your account, this is exactly what you will be going through. Yes, I can understand that. And that is the reason I have created this video. First thing I want to tell you that blowing out an account is not the end of trading. Consider it as a sour beginning. Yeah, a sour beginning to a bright future. This is the silver line in the darkest night. If you make the right changes from now onwards, from right now, you will very soon see a bright day and you will very soon become a successful trader. But you really need to work hard on it. It doesn't come easy because life is never easy and so is trading. So listen to this video very carefully, every single point, step by step. And I assure you that once you overcome these mental challenges, you are ready to become a successful trader again. In this video, I'll not be talking about any trading strategy. In this video, I'm going to talk about things that need your attention: psychological, mental, family, friends, relatives, society, and all those areas. So let us look at all these points one by one and how you can handle it. The first problem is when you go through a big loss or when you blow out your account is a loss of confidence. You will feel like a loser. You will start doubting every single decision that you've taken in your life, because of which you will even fear looking at the charts and taking a trade the next day. It's very difficult. Your hands will start shivering. And believe me, it's a very ugly situation to be in. So, in such a situation, what are you supposed to do? Rebuild your confidence, but very slowly. Yeah. Start taking small decisions which you think you can fulfill. That will start rebuilding your confidence. If you want to start trading, start with paper trading or start by trading with like very small lot sizes. The lot sizes should be so small that even if you hit a stop loss, it should not make you feel bad. Very small. Focus purely on the strategy. And every single time you break a rule in terms of your strategy, you have to feel bad. So do not think about money. This stage is not about money. This stage is all about putting things back in its place and learning to take right decisions. Take small decisions and small step, and eventually you will build up your confidence. Second problem, you are emotionally paralyzed. You are mentally crashed, totally full of anxiety, full of fear, don't want to do anything, don't want to move out of your bed, don't want to come out of the dark room. You want to sleep the whole day, but you still have sleepless nights. You're not able to sleep. What do you do? How do you come out of this situation? Let the night pass away. Get up in the morning and start with a simple routine. Very simple. Probably go for a walk. Do very little exercise. Do meditation and keep it very, very simple that your body is not taxed because of this. Make your body feel relaxed. Eat light food. Don't eat too heavy so that your body is totally comfortable. If you're looking at the markets, take breaks. Look at the market for some time. Take a break. Go for a walk. Talk to somebody. If possible, read some good books, especially books related to bouncing back from losses. Look at videos that will motivate you how to come out of these losses. But the best is if you have a mentor, talk to a mentor, talk to a senior, somebody who has gone through this, somebody who can guide you through this. It's always best to have somebody who can help you out. The words that they talk are the words of wisdom, and it will put life into you. Yes, you are like a dead person walking around, but the words of wisdom will put life into you. These things will surely help you to come out of the fear and anxiety. The third problem, your family. Your family lose total trust in you. The spouse will be very angry at you. Your parents will not trust you. You will have no bills to pay your children expenses. That puts you in a big stress. In such a situation, in your house, everything becomes a problem. Even the smallest things becomes a big problem because financially you are in no situation to handle it. This is very, very stressful because you cannot run away from your home. You have to be there for your family. This makes it very, very difficult situation. You can't talk to your parents because they are saying they don't trust you anymore. You can't talk to your spouse because of the losses, your spouse is upset. You can't talk to your children because if they ask for something, you don't have money to get it for them. What do? The best way out is stand up tall and tell them that you are sorry. Explain them the situation because you cannot run away from it. Have to talk to them. Tell them that you are sorry for the losses and you have a plan to rebound from this situation. Get a day job that will give you some stable income. Get some financial stability first. Meanwhile, focus on your trading. Maybe take very, very small trades or do paper trading so that you do not lose the connect. Focus on learning and growing your knowledge. And then when you're ready, you can gradually get back. Remember, the word is gradually get back. Do not try to do anything silly. It's very, very important. The next problem you're going to face with losses and blown out account is financial problem. Family is one side of, but other side you will have a lot of creditors, credit card bills, grocery bills, and many other bills that you need to settle on a weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis. That's not going to be easy at all. All of them will start coming at your house, calling you up, asking for their money. At your home, at least they might give you a chance. But outsiders, they will not spare you. They will humiliate you. They will make you feel bad. But this is a situation that you have to be calm. You have to be cool. Talk to them. Tell them that if they don't give you a chance, you will never be able to pay them back. It's just a loss. It's not the end of my life. You have to explain this to them. Yes, it might get difficult, but you still have to explain it to them that you need time to pay them back. After that, you have to keep up to your commitments. Keep the commitments small so that you're able to honor them. This will rebuild your confidence among them. As I said, take a day job that will help you to cope up with your financial problems. And then eventually you will start trading. And when you will start getting your profits, you can quickly repay them later on. But do not rush. Take it easy. Everybody wants to quickly come out of the problem, but it takes time. Once you've fallen into a problem, it takes time to come out. So don't rush. Get your mind prepared that it is going to take time. But I can guarantee you, if you fight it out, if you stand tall, you will surely come back. The fifth problem, social shame. You will not want to meet your friends, your relatives, your neighbors, because you have started feeling bad about yourself. This is very, very common. Most of the time, they don't even know what problems you're going through, but still you will start feeling bad to meet them because you know what you're going through. This is also a difficult situation because you do not go for any social gatherings, family gatherings. The rule is very simple. Just come out, go, meet them, smile, talk to them. Don't talk about you, talk about them. Find out how they are doing. And most important thing, never compare. People might have different stages. Some might be going through a better stage. Don't compare. Every individual is an individual. They will have their life. You listen to them, be happy for them, and if they are not doing well, console them. But avoid discussing about you because you know what your situation is. If they say, how are you doing? Say, doing great, doing fine. You don't have to explain everything to them because they don't know. So go out and meet them. That's very important. And even if they know, you don't have to discuss it. You just have to take it easy. If they ask how things are going, I heard about you. Say, I'm coping up. Things are getting better. That's all you should say. This way, that social problem will be taken care of. The sixth problem. This is a very, very serious problem. I want to bounce back very, very quickly. I fell down, but I want to bounce back even faster. This is a big problem because this causes you to revenge trade. This causes you to create impulsive trading. This causes you to leave your risk management to one side. This causes you to overtrade. As I said, this is a bigger problem. You don't find it as a problem, but this is a very, very big problem because this can cause you to go into even further financial crash. So once you blow out your account, take it easy. Once you've gone through a big loss, take it easy. Take one step back. The wise people say that taking one step back does not mean you're backing out. It's just you're preparing for a bigger move. So take one step back, analyze everything, look at things around you, and gradually build up. Think, why did you start trading? Was it only for money or was it for freedom? Was it for your time? Was it for your peace of mind? So remember those points. It's not only money. Trading is not only a money, it's a lifestyle that you want to live. So do not put your trading into jeopardy by over risking or over trading or trying to do revenge trading. Don't do that. Stay away from it. Remember, blowing up your account is not the end of trading. It's just a wake up call. You just have to shake up yourself and say, no, I'm not going to give up. Remember, these problems are real, very, very painful, emotionally taxing. It puts a lot of psychological pressure on you. But once you recover from them, it will change the way you trade forever. Remember, champions are not the people who win every single time. Champions are the people who lose, but they are the people who never gave up. Every time they lost or every time they were on the ground, they refused to stay there. And that's how they became champions. They bounced back. And so can you. So if you're going through this stage, remember these points and learn to gradually come out of this. Friends, I hope this video will really help you. And if you really love these videos, kindly share and subscribe my videos. So like you, there might be many others who want to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to become a better trader tomorrow. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Every time I see a new subscriber, it motivates me to create more such videos so that you can learn more out of them. And finally, friends, as I always say, keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. That's all in this video. Thank you. Namaskar.